Welcome. This is Daud and Sharif, QA Fellows, directly mentored by Kawes Joseph. In this presentation, we'll be demonstrating automated testing for OpenMRS Reference Application. Simple abstract, automated testing is a technique where testers write scripts and uses suitable automation tools to test the software. This allows execution of repetitive tasks without intervention of manual testers. The team is QA team, and the first demo is going to be presented by Sharif, and this demo presents the old test workflow for OpenMRS Reference Application. Let's dive into the demo.
In this video, we're going to be talking about we're going to be testing Selenium automated tests, and that is from Reference Application Distribution. And the second video is going to be talking about the new base test workflow that is from the QA framework. Within this test, it's a VisNode test. Ideally, we're testing the VisNode page. So we're going to be automating the VisNode, and these are the actions that are being taken along on the VisNode page. But basically, we're going to be editing a VisNode, adding a new diagnosis, and deleting a VisNode that has already been added. I already changed my test border file to false, then I'm running on localhost that is running in the background. Let me run this test as a JUnit test. It first searches for a active VisNode, and then it clicks on the first active VisNode, and then we come back to the patient clinician facing dashboard. It goes to the recent VisNode. It adds a VisNode and prepares the new diagnosis. After that, we come back to the VisNode page. It edits a VisNode by adding the new diagnosis, primary and secondary, and then after that, it deletes that new diagnosis that it have already added. And we can see the test passing. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thanks, Sharif. The second demo by Dawood. This demo presents the new test workflow for OpenMRS Reference Application. Let's dive into the demo. Write code, save lives. This is Dawoodi, a quality assurance fellow. And in this presentation, I'm going to be demonstrating an automated clinical visit test workflow that has been developed following the new workflow-based testing framework that was selected by the community. Very simple, brief introduction about the workflow. A feature file is written that stores user stories. Then these stories are wrapped into steps definition using either Cypress or Selenium. And lastly, writing down the test workflow. There are 6 user stories in this test. Let me talk less. Let the automation speak. The command is npm run clinical visit test. This command triggers the test to only run the clinical visit workflow without invoking other tests that are present within the repo. The test triggers the browser, and the test logs into the system, and then it searches an active patient, and then it goes to the patient dashboard. And here the user stories begin. The first one is completing the visit node. It completes the node, it saves the node, and returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is adding known allergies to the patient profile. It adds the allergies and then returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is adding known patient condition. It has added and returns to the patient dashboard. The next one is attaching supporting document to the patient profile. It has attached, amazing. It returns to the patient dashboard. And the next one is booking an appointment for the next visit. It books an appointment and then returns to the patient dashboard. And lastly, it checks out the patient by ending the patient visit. And the test is done. Amazing. Very interesting. You look at the test result here on the summary that shows the build, and it gives you the summary of the test. Thanks, dear viewer, and thanks for your precious time. enjoy this unique virtual community conference, the second of its kind.